We had a practice rally day like we would have it at the Rebelle.
We had a pretty good start in our first run. We were both actually a little bit nervous doing it because we knew so much is going to happen at the same time.
Mapping our checkpoints, and then we went out and tried to find them. Some were a little easier. Next checkpoint! Some were a little bit more tricky, but in the end we found them. We are feeling confident now that we can somehow do that at the rally.
I feel like we have a pretty good idea of what a day in the rally will look like. I feel like our to-do list is getting longer with each point that we're checking off. I feel like 2 more are being added to the list, so I would prefer to have some more days at least, but I think the first thing that was better today was that we actually knew where we were on the map and we just worked really well as a team. 3, 2, 1. I actually am a little bit ahead, so we're good. Perfect. And keep going at 45. Woo!
One thing that we learned is we don't have to go into detail all the time because that takes a lot of time.
Left turn. When we're doing the checkpoint hunting, if we feel like we are not on the map anymore or not where we think we are, we can take a breath, go outside, take a heading.
In 3, 2, 1.
These checkpoints have starting and closing times, and we had ran out a little bit out of time, so we were pretty close to the closing time for the next checkpoint. But we tried to rush a little bit, so we were driving a little bit faster and doing it all on the fly.
3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay.
And somehow we got to that checkpoint, I think 5 minutes before closing time.
Yep.
So that was super cool.
The first run through we did was very entertaining because there was one wrong number directly in the beginning, so effectively Andrea asked me to go 1.2 kilometers in 1 second, and after that it was just a mix of we're way too late, you need to hurry up, go faster, oh no, we have 2 more minutes, okay, slow down. It was very funny, but then we got there exactly on time during this run, so that was very, very rewarding. We are confident that we will actually be able to find checkpoints to do the enduro challenges on time.
So we learned a lot about all the different functions and how to use all the ability that the vehicle is offering.
And it's a chance to show the world that Magna has this great components like the transfer case we have been extensively testing over the last few days. It's a really great signal that Magna is sending here. This event only for women is something that they support, and they put a lot of money and effort and time into us going there. That's what I really appreciate about having this opportunity.
Unexpected win of first ever completely German team at the Rebelle 25.